Hey, welcome back to 360 Alaskan Life. So today I'm finally getting back to the water tank project that I started on earlier this summer, but I haven't had much of a chance to work on it lately. So it's here, you can see we got it all dug up finally. Got the bottom of the pipes foamed in. And so if you remember on the last video, what happened is these pipes were starting to push downhill quite a ways. They were at a long angle there, probably 30 or almost 40 degrees. And that's just because of the ground we live on here in Fairbanks. There's a non-continuous permafrost around here. And that can cause some issues where the ground moves a little bit and resettles, especially when you get frost heaves in the winter. So I just had to get these pipes vertical again. And so now I'm going to spread some foam around them to reinforce them, so hopefully that doesn't happen again. Well, it's raining out here and it's just all kinds of unpleasant, but I'm going to go ahead and get ready to pour this foam down here to help secure these pipes. Alright, looks like we just have to roll this to burst the seal. You get 15 seconds to mix it. Isn't long before I get out of control here. There we go. All right, and this stuff takes about 3 minutes to set up. All right, so I got some foam poured around the second the vent pipe here. This is some runny stuff. See how big a mess this makes. And then back behind me here, this foam is really starting to grow. All right, another YouTube channel you guys should check out if you haven't seen already is a Ritter Bit Will Do. John Ritter over at Ritter Bit Will Do. I hope you'll recognize your camera tip. I've got the shovel. I've got the flexible mount here. Worked out great. Great idea. Thank you. So while we're sitting here literally just waiting for this foam to set up and cure, I'd like to take a second, recognize some other YouTubers if you haven't had a chance to check out. You might want to go ahead and check out their channels. Orange is the New Green, great channel. You know, a really great guy too, so don't forget to check it out. Another great YouTube channel, I'll put all the links in for these YouTube channels in the description, is Royal Canadian Air Force Polar Express. Don't forget to check him out, he's got some great content. AkDadStuff. Now, AkDadStuff, Mike at AkDadStuff, he lives just in North Pole, Alaska. So I live here in Fairbanks, Alaska, and Mike is just a few miles down the road from me. But look at all that foam around the vent pipe. It is really growing. Hopefully this will just help secure it a little bit when we start to backfill it and everything. Help keep these from getting pushed over. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Hey, I've got a lot of subscribers and a lot of viewers from India too, so I'd like to say hi and thank you. Thanks for watching. You can see how much that foam expanded. really grew right around the base. So I'm gonna stack some gravel in there. Get a little geo paper on here, I think, just to help support it better and get it nice and level so I don't get this problem in the future. Look at here's the fill pipe for the water tank. Good plug on it now. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yep.
This is the kid. Remember I said I had to find a kid to dig the hole because there ain't no way I was doing it? So, kid, hole. Right?
Yep.
Evan said walking up the muddy hill is just like stepping in elephant poop.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know. I haven't met that many elephants, but apparently he has.
Don't slip, Dad.
Wow.
Phone
That'll
did a
be
good job, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's still growing a little bit, but
Kind of looks like someone just went.
took a
Crap.
big took a big turn. Well, Evan said that looks like elephant poo over there.
Where?
Right there, all the mud.
Ah. Probably if it was cleaned up a bit, be a little nicer.
Can't have everything. When we're done.
Yeah, when we're done.
Well, that's everything from the water tank repair here for today. I got to come back and get some gravel and take the old Kubota there and get her filled with gravel. Get her leveled off, but I think we're good for now. So, all right, have a good night. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and the other YouTubers I mentioned, don't forget to check them out.